This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Fit Watch to your iPhone iOS device. First, you'll need to download the Huawei Health app from the Apple App Store. Make sure your Huawei Watch Fit is fully charged and powered on. Next, navigate to your iPhone settings and ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing process, setting the foundation for your watch's functionality. Once the app is installed and Bluetooth is active, open the Huawei Health app. Tap on the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Add Device and choose your specific Huawei Watch Fit model from the list. A pairing request will appear on both your iPhone and your watch. Confirm it on both to establish the connection. This usually takes just a few moments. After successful pairing, the app will prompt you to grant several permissions. These include access to notifications, location services, and health data, which are essential for the watch's full functionality. Take a moment to customize your watch faces and notification preferences within the app. Also, ensure the Huawei Health app is allowed to run in the background for seamless, continuous data synchronization between your watch and iPhone. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your iPhone and your Huawei Watch Fit. Also, always ensure that your Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version from the App Store. Finally, keep your watch and iPhone within a close range of about 1 meter during the initial pairing to maintain a strong, stable connection. These tips should help resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.